The manual food processor is going to handle all of your chopping, blending, and mixing needs. Let me show you how it works. Manual food processor is perfect for simple tasks such as cutting onions, celery, and carrots. Check that out. Perfect onions every time. Now, onions are just the start of what this processor is going to do. I have some parsley here. Perfect parsley. Okay, now that I've given you kind of a sneak peek of what this processor can do, I want to show you how it's assembled. Processor has 3 parts. The bowl, 3-cup capacity with measure markings. It's got a non-skid base. The blade post, exclusive to the Pampered Chef, 3 staggered bowed blades placed for perfect chopping every time. And the lid. Customized gear system allows for perfect balance of speed and force. And on the bottom, if you turn it over, this goes right into the blade post to allow the blade to spin. And the handle, offset for comfort and use, has a locking mechanism for storage. Now, these are chocolate wafers. Imagine that, your pies. All right, now I want to show you one of my favorite recipes for the processor. It's a fresh tomato salsa. Got some onions, jalapeno, and garlic. We have a little bit of cilantro. We have a little lemon juice and salt. Now we're just going to process this. Okay, now let's add some of our tomatoes. All right, there we have it. Fresh tomato salsa. Now, not only is this thing perfect for salsa, this is going to handle all of your pestos, tapenades. This is really going to do it all. And of course, dishwasher safe for the bowl and the blade, but the lid, hand wash only. The manual food processor.